Carl A. Rouse, Black astrophysicist. Carl A. Rouse is a pioneering and controversial researcher whose goal is to solve the mysteries of the sun's atmosphere. He is the member of Rouse Research. He is the founder of Rouse Research Inc. in Del Mar, California. Carl Rouse was born on July 14, 1926, in Youngstown, Ohio. He lived with a large family, including two older brothers, four younger sisters, and two young cousins. His father, a talented mechanic, owned and operated an auto repair shop. Rouse led an active childhood. He learned photography and woodworking at a neighborhood recreation center and enjoyed building model airplanes. He also learned to swim, play basketball, football, and baseball, but most of all enjoyed boxing, at which he excelled. In high school, he won the regional Golden Gloves championship in his weight class. Rouse had an early introduction to science through his photography and model airplane building, and gained practical engineering knowledge by helping out at his father's auto repair shop. Rouse received excellent grades in high school and was encouraged by his chemistry teacher to consider a career in science. He graduated a semester early in February of 1944, a time of intense U.S. involvement in World War II. The U.S. Army recognized Rouse's abilities, and rather than send him into combat duty, they had him trained as an engineer at Howard University in Washington, D.C., Pennsylvania State College, now University, and New York University. By the time he finished these programs, the war was over. He was discharged from the Army in July of 1946. After a year working as an engineering draftsman for the county government back home in Ohio, Rouse enrolled in the physics department at Case Institute of Technology, now Case Western Reserve University. His talent in physics and mathematics was quickly recognized, and he was elected to two national honor societies, Tau Beta Pi and Sigma Xi, and awarded the Physics Prize upon graduation for his excellent grades. Rouse went on to graduate school at the California Institute of Technology in Pasadena, where he conducted research on subatomic particles. He helped develop a machine that allowed different particles to be characterized and identified by the patterns that they create when interacting with different materials. He was awarded a doctoral degree in June of 1956. Also, while at CIT, Rouse met and married Lorraine Moxley. Not long after graduating, Rouse accepted a position at the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory, where he studied the effects of the high temperatures generated by the detonation of the atomic bomb. This led to an interest in the hot gases that make up the sun and other stars. After studying the writings of other physicists, Rouse realized that some of the accepted ideas about these gases were wrong. Rouse discovered new techniques for measuring the sun's atmosphere and developed new theories about the interactions of its gases. His theories were opposed by many influential physicists whose ideas he was challenging, and Rouse was not given much support at Livermore Labs. He decided to transfer to the General Atomic Company of San Diego in 1968, where his main studies concerned the practical applications of atomic energy. Here he developed an improved shielding material for use in nuclear power plants, for which he was awarded a U.S. patent. In 1986, Rouse was granted access to the company's supercomputer for use in personal projects, enabling him to greatly increase his progress towards an understanding of stellar gases. In 1992, he founded his own research company in Del Mar, California, through which he hopes to someday solve the mysteries of the solar atmosphere. Citations are in the description.